iPhone 11 Pro Max, back glass replacement. Let's fix it. iPhone 11 Pro Max, back glass is really strong. It's really important to be careful while removing. In the center, it's wireless charging coil. Heating gun can be used to melt old glue. Glass near the camera is thicker, so be careful while removing glass pieces bear the camera. It's almost done removing old glass pieces. It's important to remove old glue. Let's clean the work area. Apply new glue. New glass is fixed. It's almost done. Let it dry for some time. It's done. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel and press bell icon.